Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to set up Windows Hello on Windows 11. Okay, so for this guys, you can try this easy and very simple method. So first you need to open your Windows settings, hold Windows key button and then press I from your keyboard. It will open the Windows settings. Okay. In the Windows settings, from the left panel, open accounts option like this, and in the right panel here you can get the option sign in options. Just click and open it, okay, like this, and here you can get your all Windows Hello options. As you can see guys, you can set up the password using your face, fingerprint, pin, security key and picture password also. So if you want to set your facial password, just need to extend this, and here your PC was supported and compatible with Windows Hello Face. If you are not using web camera, so at that time you can't use this option. Just connect the webcam to your PC and here you can get the option to enable the facial lock on your PC. So one more method is this guys, fingerprint. Extend this if you want to set up fingerprint, and here you need to add the fingerprint device. So if you have a touchpad on your laptop, so you can use the fingerprint on your Windows 11. So if you don't have, you need to use one external device of fingerprint. At that time you can use this option, okay. And other option is this guys, pin Windows Hello. Here you can easily able to set up that pin and security key, password and picture password. So these 3-4 option will supported in all PCs, okay. So from here you can easily able to set up Windows Hello on Windows 11. So this is very unique method to set up the passwords on your PC. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.